How to use Alpaca trading full guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can use Alpaca trading. So first of all, you have to sign up for a free Alpaca account, use residence and limited loan US beta, and generate API keys for trading and optional broker via the dashboard. And we have to choose your environment like paper trading, ideal for testing algorithms without risking real money. Live trading requires account funding, background checks for options, permissions, and possible pattern day trader flagging. And using the web and mobile dashboard, market data, access real-time stock and crypto prices, historical charts and options chains, and place trades manually. Select asset, stock, ETF, crypto options. Choose order type like market, limit, stop limit, bracket or OCO, multi-leg for options, and track portfolio and orders. View open positions, order history, account balance, and basic analytics. And for market data and web stocks, fetch historical data and real-time quotes via REST and web stock APIs. And examples are stock historical data client for historical data, web socket for live feeds. And the advanced features are options trading like level 3 supported multi-leg setups, real-time data, historical options chain, and buy portions like $10 of AAPL, and available for stocks, ETFs, crypto plans underway for futures and forex trading. And you can start in paper mode, then switch to live trading once confident, and learn the API with tutorials on Alpaca, learn code samples and community Slack forum, and use web sockets for live feeds when running bots. Apply for options permissions via the dashboards for level 3 strategies. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.